Hey everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections. Want to talk to you a little bit about grading and drainage around homes. And this house I'm inspecting this morning in Watauga, we've got some erosion away from the foundation, and I'm going to recommend some additional backfill. You can also see where the rain comes off the roof and creates this erosion, and where the water hits the ground there. So we'll always recommend that grading and drainage can be improved with the addition of rain gutters to prevent this kind of erosion at the foundation. It's really important to have the right backfill and support for the foundation. The grade slope at the front of this home is in really good shape. We should, in all directions, we should have at least a 6-inch per 10-foot drop away from the home, or a slope away. Nowhere should it slope towards the house. So in general, it looks like we've got a good slope around the house, but we do have quite a few areas of erosion. We've got a lot of erosion around the foundation, almost all the way around this house. So really important to get the backfill correct, and implementing good watering programs and adding gutters around homes to make sure that this type of erosion is not occurring.